Welcome to Mustad Tips and Tricks. For this trick, it's for a horse that needs an extension, either medial or laterally, doesn't matter. But whenever we give the horse an extension, that width is lovely, it supports the coronary band, point of origin. But what happens is our nail holes become too fine. They're not up the strong part of the foot. So what I'm going to do is punch some coarser nails. I'm going to send the stud punch in first. I'll make a little flat area for us so we can put our stamp in on top of it. And that way we're going to have our nails in the right place. Before I do that, I'm going to grind a little bit off that outside heel, because as I put stamp extra stuff in here, it's going to get a little bit longer. So we have our shoe, we put our stud punch in, gives us a flat surface. You can see that nice flat area that it's given us, a nice target to hit. And then all we do is get our stamp on top of it. Very simple but very effective way of getting our nails a little bit coarser.